Welcome back, everyone. Today we're looking at a super common task in Webflow, changing a background image. Whether you're updating a template or building a fresh landing page to promote your new max versus inflation video, swapping out those background graphics is one of the first things you'll need to do to make the site feel like your own. It's incredibly easy, so let's jump straight into the designer. First, you need to click on the specific element that currently holds the background image. This is often a section or a column. Once your element is selected, head over to the Style panel on the right side of your screen. Scroll down that panel until you find the Background section. You'll see the existing image listed right there. To get rid of it, simply click on the image and delete it. Now it's time to bring in your own artwork. Click to add a new background image and you'll have the option to either upload a new file from your computer or select an image you have already uploaded to your Webflow assets. Once your new image drops in, it might look a little weird or zoomed in. Don't panic. Click on the image settings right there in the panel. Look for the size options and click on Cover. Setting the image to cover is the magic trick that tells Webflow to make sure your image completely fills the entire column or section without ever stretching or squishing the picture. If you have multiple sections or a grid of columns next to each other, you just repeat this exact same process. Select the next column, head to the Style panel, delete the old placeholder, drop your new image in, and make sure it's set to cover. And that's literally all it takes to completely refresh the look of your page. If this quick tip helped you out today, please give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more straight-to-the-point web design tutorials. Drop a comment below letting me know what part of Webflow is slowing you down, and I will catch you in the next video.